Hey Josh, one other thing. I was just thinking if there isn't time to have a quick meeting with the group, um, folks don't always pay attention to these, right? But you could, there's quite a bit of money on the line, so people might be more motivated. If you wanted to, instead of meeting with folks in person to give a quick overview of how things interrelate and then assign sections, as you can see here, I'm just doing a screencast. This is my screen right now. You could easily do this with a PowerPoint. So I don't know if you could make like a 5 or so minute PowerPoint and just give you an overview of the process where it's at right now. Here, here's the status, here's how things are interrelated, and I wanted to inform you of all that before I kind of then now assign you your sections to complete. And so it, when time's stretched like this, sometimes these videos can kind of help. Again, not always. Some people watch, like Richard, right? Richard does everything. Richard loves my videos. I'll send him little videos. But I think perhaps if this group is so busy, this kind of medium might be an effective way to communicate with them. So I just want to show you what this looks like. As you can see, this is not rehearsed. This is very off the cuff. I brushed my hair today. That's about my commitment to my production. But again, you could easily, while this is going on, run a PowerPoint through this background explaining your process. So just a thought. Anyway, take care. Bye.